This is another fantastic move for white to find. You can pause the video and try. Now let's check out the solution. This queen is attacked, so this should definitely move and you have a stunning move. Queen f4 check. Now you are attacking this queen because it is undefended, and it shows the vulnerability of this undefended queen. Obviously, if you go for the capture, then you do not have to capture with the pawn. First you have this intermediate move. When the king moves, you go for the capture. And alright, you have won a piece. There are other options which the black can try. This knight can jump in between, and after this check, you would simply a piece up and a winning position.